Achoo. I'm allergic to both mats and chilies. Achoo. Just looking at all these numbers is making my head spin.
Let me cool down your head for you. Look like my head is also spinning.
Maths is that difficult. Even the best of us get brain free.
Hey, Mr. Parrot, where are you off to without telling us?
With the music of my flute, you flew back at once.
You love playing the flute and trapping innocent birds, don't you? Well, I will play drums with your head now.
Don't think that you have beaten Chidimar. I will be back from near and far.
If Kalia eats one laddu every day, then tell me, how many laddus will Kalia have eaten by next week?
Mr. Parrot, your question itself is wrong because Kalia doesn't eat one. He eats 1 dozen laddus every day.
Huh? What are these golden balls falling from the sky?
Friends, let's begin the maths and sports homework together.
My score is 3.
Mine is 5.
We'll have to escape their attack.
Idea!
Hide quickly! Hurry up!
If we want to know where he's hiding, then why don't we ask these birds?
Hey, you buddies! If you have the guts, come face me! Great! I will get a good view from up here. Now I'll be able to see where this Chidimar is hiding.
Bheem! Laddu!
Oh, I think I should just.
Don't jump around inside the house. I slipped, Mossy. If you want to play, then play with those small toys. At least my pots will be safe.
How are you?
Thank you so much for coming to see a demo of my vanished gadget, Your Highness.
Laddu.
Hey, Kalia, those laddus are not for free. If you want them, you will have to catch those ducks running around in front of you.
Such a small thing. I'll go and get them. Now I have got you.
Your Highness, we have a lollipop for every flavor. And if I get your permission, then I want to open a lollipop factory in Dholakpur.
You disappear while eating laddus. Oh no, this is Chinchu, Your Highness. Have you forgotten what he did last time?
This is the same sneaky Chinchu who was exiled from Dholakpur for fooling around with Avi Uncle's experiments.
This road leads to the palace. Come on, let's go there.
Welcome, children.
Attacking me.
Now the only one left is that arrogant Avi uncle, because of whom I was thrown out of Dholakpur and my job.
Chinchu, but coming back to Dholakpur will result in big losses for you.
You are an even bigger coward than the other children, Bheem.
Take that! But what about the king and all my friends?
I had a feeling that we could have this kind of trouble. That's why I have built this return button.
Gosh. Thank God we were out. It was getting crowded inside.
Thank you very much for saving us, Bheem.
Remember, if there is any problem, use this to send a smoke signal.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. To the island we go.
I have a shortcut, you know. We will get the sand from the Golden Island and be back in a jiffy.
Look, Chief. Finally, the thieving twin captains have been caught.
Please! No. We just came.
Where are Kalia and Dholu Bolu? There is the smoke signal. I think they are in danger.
Intruders, arrest them! Drop all your weapons!
Forgive me, Mr. Chief, but I really had no other choice.
3 of our friends lost their way and wandered onto your island.
My apologies.
Bheem!